Hi, my name is Chris and a big welcome to my JavaScript course for beginners. If you were looking to take your HTML and CSS skills to the next level, then you've come to the right place. This course will give you the knowledge and confidence to add interactivity and cool features to your websites, along with the ability to build standalone applications. We'll begin with the basics, including understanding JavaScript and what it is used for, where to include JavaScript in your websites, data types, and how to get JavaScript displayed on your web pages. We'll then move on to cover JavaScript essentials such as variables, arrays, functions, strings and string methods, and JavaScript objects. All the sections will have various mini challenges to get hands-on experience and make sure you understand exactly what we're doing before moving on. Once you have a grasp of the basics, we'll then introduce you to more techniques such as JavaScript math and dates, control flow and loops, how JavaScript can manipulate the DOM, and of course many more mini challenges along the way. Then finally, at the end of this course, you'll be building this exciting full project. You will have the chance to build a fully functional business card application, which takes the user's input and creates a business card using JavaScript. And by the end of the course, you'll have all the required skills to complete this by yourself. This course is designed to be beginner friendly. However, JavaScript often works alongside HTML and CSS, so basic knowledge of these languages is definitely recommended. So thanks for your interest, and I look forward to you joining me on this exciting course.